Alright, so it's dinner time. Me and Babe are cooking chicken. I got this 30 pack of chicken for $13 from Kroger. So we split it up. I got 15, he got 15. So I'm about to go cook. And guess who's about to cook with me? Colleen. I got macaroni and cheese. Alright, so we got oil. I'm gonna go ahead and turn that on. Alright, as far as the asparagus goes, I need to put 2 tablespoons of olive oil on here and then kind of like turn them so that they're coated. So I got the olive oil, sea salt, and the garlic powder. Alright, so I got my 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm just gonna kind of like drip it everywhere here, like it said, and turn it over.
You normal. You okay?
Alright, so we got the chicken in the egg wash. I got my spices made up. This guy's ready with her beans. Asparagus is getting ready to go in once it goes off. Oil's ready. Here we go. So we're gonna get ready to go see my great-grandmother for a little bit, and then we will leave and go to the dollar store and call it a day. Just spending some time with my mom and the kiddos.
Don't cut. Yeah. And then because
You went from one thing to the next thing.
What? Yeah, sometimes you gotta rebuke. Listening to that stuff.
You need to have it on the playlist then.
Oh no.
Those are bills from you when you were making it.
Want to put the potatoes in there?
I got potatoes at home.
Okay.
The red.
On your side of the bed, your side, your side, your.
All right, so I decided to go ahead and fix some breakfast this morning. Wanted to make a fruit cup, so I used a little bit of everything that I had from Whole Foods. I just put in some grapes, strawberries, blueberries, pineapples, cantaloupe, honeydew, and dragon fruit. So this was going to just go in my yogurt along with a piece of kiwi, and that was just part of my breakfast. I didn't put in too much yogurt, but I also wanted to have some smoked sausages. I end up using the Weber's roasted garlic and herb seasoning just to give it a little extra flavor. I put these in the air fryer using an air liner, and I just, like I said, shook some of the roasted garlic and herb and nature seasoning on these, and I went ahead and just made me some eggs really quickly. Of course, I couldn't forget to make myself a cup of coffee to go along with this great breakfast. One thing I do like is extra pepper in my scrambled eggs, and a piece of toast I definitely need it as well. So just a small, light breakfast for this morning. Or
Let's go.
yeah, who's there in the red chair?
I feel like it's gonna break. Do again. What? Hi.
Pop.
It's about 15 minutes left. I think you guys extra nuts and butter, everything is sauce.
watch my show, Euphoria.
How you do it?
Alright, y'all, so I'm headed to Popeyes to get us some dinner. Definitely like starving. I have cleaned all day, my room, living room. We've been cleaning the bathroom, we've been doing laundry. Like I said, didn't film it because I'm just like, I'm trying to get it done because I still have schoolwork to do. And then of course, I still have videos I want to edit. I still have things I want to do. So yeah. Headed over to Popeye. I like these little things. I really was like, should I get them, should I not? But I really got them for like, if I did face masks and stuff, but I like them. Keeps the hair out my face, so. So I was able, so I got everything I needed. And then he just like, oh, can I put the barbecue sauce in the kids' meal? Well, I guess. Like, why not just put it in the darn bag? Whatever. So, anyways, we got the kids 2 kids meals. So I got 1 nuggets and then the other one wanted 1 tender. But then I got the chicken, like the $34.99 family meal or whatever, so that we can have some chicken tomorrow for like lunch or whatever, instead of me making anything for lunch.